Hi, I'm Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell. Today we're talking about sentencing and prison time. So when are sentencing decisions made and who makes them? Well, if a defendant pleads guilty or is found guilty, they will return to court to be sentenced usually about 30 days later. It's a common misconception that prosecutors can decide how much jail or prison time a defendant receives. The judge assigned to that case is the only one who ultimately decides whether a defendant is sentenced to probation, jail, or prison, and for how long. So what is the Maricopa County Attorney's Office role during sentencing? Well, during sentencing, our prosecutors will present a case summary, their arguments, and recommendations to the judge. Prosecutors will also invite the victims or their next of kin to share a statement about how the crime impacted their lives and offer their own sentencing recommendation. How does a judge make a sentencing decision? The judge will consider the entirety of the case, including the prosecutors' and defense counsel's recommendations. They'll consider the statements from the victims, recommendations from the county's probation department, and the sentencing ranges that apply to that crime that are set by law. The judge will also consider other factors that could worsen or lessen a sentence, including the defendant's childhood, criminal history, the nature of the crime, and if they've taken responsibility for their actions. I hope this has been helpful in teaching you how sentencing is done in Arizona and specifically Maricopa County. If you have any suggestions or you have any questions about what we've said, please reach out to our office. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to hear your questions and also any suggestions you'd have as to future topics for me to address. Thanks and have a great day.